Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Tube Backlinks review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll be talking about this garbage software called Tube Backlinks, I guess. So this is the Tube Backlinks review, and let me show you the demo video to get rid of this software. So it's 40 seconds, just see what happens here. With one click you will be creating some backlinks, and this is the software, Windows based. Enter your YouTube video ID, click on get backlinks and start spamming your YouTube video or your YouTube channel. Okay, these are fake backlinks. Nothing was gonna change, on your YouTube channel. Your videos will not rank, and this is garbage. Okay, this is garbage, by the way, so don't buy this. This is going to be probably very short video with this review. And yeah, so they're selling this thing for $14, I guess, to start with, right? So as of now, the price here I see is $14. Okay, even if it is free, don't do it. Okay, even if somebody says I will go and create some I will give you some software which will create backlinks for you, don't get that software even for free, because backlinks can never be generated by some software, and if they are being generated by some software, they will be mostly no follow backlinks, and they will be spammy backlinks, slow quality garbage. Okay, so if you want to understand more about backlinks, you can go to my website called readainfotech.com. You can check the URL and then go to services here just to read. Okay, you don't have to buy anything. Just go to services and read all these blogs about backlink. Okay, just go through everything here if you want to understand what are backlinks, no follow, do follow, referring domains, high authority, low authority, domain rating, everything you have to know before you get into the matters of these backlinks. Okay, plus these days YouTube does not give shit to backlinks. YouTube do not care if your videos have got backlinks or not. For ranking for rankings only two things matter: click-through ratio, CTR. So your your YouTube videos CTR should be high, at least 11 or 12%, I guess. Okay, and second thing is watch time, for how long people are watching your videos. Okay, so let's say you make a 10 minutes video, and if people are watching your video for like 6 minutes out of those 10 minutes, then it's a good watch time. Okay, so if people are watching your content and people are clicking on your thumbnails, that increases your CTR. That those are the only two things which are actually important right now if you want to make money on YouTube or you want your videos to rank. And I'm telling you all of this because I know few things about YouTube, because I have been talking. Okay, I have been talking for 17 hours. I have been talking about YouTube for 17 hours inside this training program called Traffic Jarvis. Okay, so this is my program, Traffic Jarvis, and it's all about YouTube, how to make money on YouTube for the rest of your life using Traffic Jarvis. And it will also help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days. It will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only. And then your YouTube channel will go into the review and it will be monetized within 30 days maximum. After that, your job is simple. You just upload videos, make money, and that's it, right? Just because, as an example, you have seen this video. In this video, you must have seen some ads in the beginning. Those ads make me money. Okay, so the only reason I had to come and record this nonsense review video, because Tube Backlinks is nothing, it's garbage. Okay, do you want to know the synonym of garbage? It's Tube Links. Okay, don't buy this, it will help you with nothing. No backlinks, nothing is important when it comes to backlinks are not important anymore whatsoever if you talk about YouTube. And even for your blogs, if you have to create backlinks for your blogs or for your videos or for something else, the backlinks cannot be generated by some bloody software. Backlinks has to be achieved or maybe created manually. Okay, so as an example, I have 3 websites. Okay, maybe I can show you one of my website here. You see, this website here, this is my website, has a domain rating of 53. Now any website which is a domain rating of 30 above, 40 above, 50 above, they are high authority websites. Okay, now if you want to get a backlink from my website, you have to either contact me and I will tell you how can you get a backlink from me. So sometimes people exchange, so they will say, okay, can you give me one backlink and I'll give you backlink from my website. So for example, you have a website and your domain rating is maybe 60, 40, 45, whatever. Okay, you will offer me that, okay, you give me backlink, I'll give you backlink. Okay, but in case you are not, you don't have anything to offer, then probably you may ask me that, do you charge for backlinks? I mean, do you charge me if you want to go and give a backlink from your website, or you can do it for free? Okay, so there are many ways. Okay, and backlinks is certainly not the piece of cake, because why would somebody link your website from their website? Just imagine right now, this is reviewguru.com, this is my website I own. Okay, and you come to me and you have a website, let's say xyz.com. Now give me a reason why would I link your website to my website. Who are you to me? Nothing. Who are you? Who the hell are you? Get lost from here. So why will I give you one backlink? Either you come and pay me. Okay, you come and pay me and you say, okay, I will give you this much money. Can you go and put a link to my website on your website? And if I feel like, I will say, okay. I mean, why would somebody do it for free? Okay, so either that person knows you, or you convince them somehow. Online, you send them some emails or whatever. Okay, you convince them somehow, and if they get convinced, then they will give you a link. Okay, but that is a very hard strategy. What I master in creating backlinks, and I master in increasing domain authority. So for example, this is not relevant to this video, but I'm just telling you because there's nothing else to talk in the video. Okay, so in case if somebody is trying to launch their website or blog and they want to increase their domain rating, if for example, when you will buy a new domain, your new domain rating will be 0 out of 100, and this 53 is for my website out of 100. Okay, if you want your domain rating to go from 0 to 50 as well, then I can do that, but that is actually very costly. That will cost you like $2,000. Okay, but it can be achieved within 1 month only. So let's say you go and buy a domain from GoDaddy. You go and buy a brand new domain from any provider, and then you come to me and say, TubeCore, right now my domain rating is 0. Can you get it to 50? In how long? In how much? I would say, give me one domain. Okay, give me the domain, give me 30 days, give me $2,000, and meet me, not meet me, but just check your domain rating after 30 days, and your domain rating will be 50 plus. That's what I can guarantee. Okay, but this is, again, it's not something which you will be interested into, I guess, but this is only to give you, because if you are if you're wondering about making backlinks and ranking your website, it's not cheap and it's super technical. Okay, super technical. You have to have contacts, good contacts, and you need to have money. If you don't have money, then forget about it. Okay, so Tube Backlinks is garbage. Are you the software developer? Yes. Is this software for Mac? No, it's only for Windows. How many backlinks does it include? The software includes over 100 backlinks. Come on, it's garbage. Okay, how does it work? Nothing works. Can these backlinks help me to get the top 10? No, big no. Okay, do you have money back guarantee? No, they don't. They do not have a money back guarantee. So I told you, just don't buy. That's your refund. Okay, don't buy. Right now, if you really want to make money on the internet, this is not how you make money. Okay, this is not how you make money. Let's shut this trap here. If you want to make money on YouTube, go below my YouTube video. Okay, first of all, understand everything, the ins and outs of YouTube, how to get your 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours first, how to create thumbnails, how to set up your whole channel, how to choose your niche, how to make your videos, which software to use, what is CTR, what are impressions, everything. Okay, there are so many things you need to learn about YouTube before you just go and remove your seatbelt. Okay, so if you are really interested in making money on YouTube, you have no choice other than traffic service. Okay, either you go and do email marketing on the internet, or you go and make YouTube videos, and that is the only way you will make money. There are only 2 ways to make money on the internet. One is YouTube, second is email marketing. Choose your weapons. Okay, and if you click on this link that says make money with Traffic Jarvis, then we will show you both the methods, Traffic Jarvis for YouTube and email marketing. Before that, make sure you subscribe and like the video, press the bell notification. Everything is free, and if you want to support and contribute to this channel, then use the super thanks button and leave your colorful question and comments. And now let me show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything. Okay, so before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending one email per day, but you need a lot of numbers. Okay, you need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube Traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the Traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay, all right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple, stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too, but it is good if you have some experience already. And experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out if you want to make money without selling anything. for rest of your life, then you can go for traffic service YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here's the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, baba tai tai. That means tada bye bye.